Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day, and I am here to make it even better because you are now going to learn how to do this Kakyoin makeup. So if you want to learn how to do it, just keep on watching. As always, I'll start with my base and my eyebrows concealed. And now I will do the JoJo lines. I recommend that you have some pictures with you as you do your makeup. And firstly I will use eyeshadow and then I will do the lines. Also, don't worry if you feel like your lines aren't symmetrical, because at the end everything will look like a hot mess and no one will care. And now we can start doing the lines. This is not this is not a pencil. This is a pencil. So we're going to start little by little, but don't be too harsh and try to do thinner lines. Here I personally like to do a little tear, so it looks like more accentuated than it is. Next I'll move into doing the eyes. I normally use natural colors, so first I will be putting some white in the inner corners of my eyes to make them bigger. Now I will be using a golden color and I will put it right here. And now I will use a brown color. Next you want to blend the color in a straight line. Now I will sketch out a new eye crease. Since Kakyoin has like a triangle shaped eyes, I will be doing my eyelid straight and like in an angular shape. You will see now. Now I will elongate my eye and I will make the triangular shape in this part. You can do the eyes as big and as small as you want, it's your style. If you want to try doing the eyes bigger one time, do them bigger. If you want them smaller, do them smaller. Yeah, but this is my style and that's why I'm doing the video. And you're not. And you're watching it. So now I'm going to be putting a white eyeliner on my waterline. I like to use body paint for my new eye, so I will be doing this now. And since now I am using the body paint, I will be also doing some white lines on certain points of my face to use them as highlighter. Now moving into the eyeliner for my eyes. That's why it's called an eyeliner. And as I said before, you want to do straight lines. Now we'll be moving into the mascara. And also, if you are doing bigger eyes, don't ever put mascara here because it will ruin the illusion. But also, don't cut your eyelashes. No. And now I will be doing the eyebrows. So we will need a brown color and an angular brush for our eyebrows. First, we are going to sketch out the eyebrows, and Kakyoin eyebrows are very straight. And we are going to place them really close to these lines. Also, it's better if you do them straight but a little bit upwards, because if not, you will look like you're very sad, like kind of Mikan Sumiki eyebrows, so we don't want that. And now we're going to use a red lip color. I think lip colors are better, lip liners. And we're going to trace the eyebrow. So always try not to pressure the eyebrow very much, because if not, you will have like a depth in your eyebrow. They will look horrible. Now we're moving on to the lips, and we want to first line our natural lips with a brown lip liner. You want to do this kind of shape here. And now I am going to put a neutral color on my lips. And also to accentuate this natural shadow that you can see here, I'm going to grab a brown color and I'm going to put it there. So there you have it. You are now Noriaki Kakyoin. So if you want, you can leave a comment if you like this tutorial, if you find it easy, if you find it horrible. I don't care, just comment something. And also you can follow me on my social media. I mostly use Instagram, and I also use TikToks, more or less. And so yeah, if you want to see more videos, please subscribe. I'm really happy that you made it to the final minutes. So if you have any requests, you can also comment that, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!